welcome to Work It 23 and 23. Today is week, see, I don't even know what week it is now. I think it's 1, 2, 3. So this will be week 4. So last week I drew number 8 because it was only 1. So, and that was to work on or finish my altered pen jar and little box, which I did. So there is my pen jar. So I've got some crochet trim, I've added some clear vellum stickers, a little quote by Anne of Green Gables, and some Tim Holtz tissue paper. So that one's all done. And then I did my little box, so I added some wooden beads for the feet and a little loopy bow. So those are all done. And then today we will draw another number out of our bowl and see what we're going to be working on. So there's the number. Let's have a look. Oh, stuck together. Number 9. So, can you see number 9? Okay, and number 9 is Sam's Study. Oh yay, I haven't worked on this for ages, so just bear with me and I'll just grab it and I'll show you. Okay, so this is Sam's Study. And it's all miniature, so this is a little miniature library scene, and I've done a few bits already, so yeah, I'll show you what I've done. I've done the little reading chair, I've done a little side table, and it's got, it's hard to show, a little piece of little map or something on the top, but you have to do all of these little bits, so you've got to bend each little bit of wire to make the handles. Done a little ladder, and I've done another little bookshelf, I've done this bookshelf, another little bookshelf. That's the back, that's the front. It's all these little details, they're very cute. That bookshelf, some little side shelves, and then I've done the big background part that sits at the back. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces so far. So that's what I will be working on this week, Sam's Study, so that's very exciting. Have a great week everyone, see you soon, bye.